Alright, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a recent purchase I got of a Ryobi PBLCS302B. And this is going to be a circular saw. It's the brushless one. I actually had it purchased because I actually had a project coming up with it and I didn't need anything too hardcore or too professional. I don't do this for a living, but I just wanted to see how the circular saws in terms of the brushless work in the future, because I do have a regular circular saw that's got a brushed motor on it, and it's okay. It just seems like it dies out. So essentially I got this one. It was actually on a pretty good deal at Home Depot, and it came with a extra blade. So it has two of them. I know these carbides, I mean, it's typical if they're good or not, but yeah, it has the extra blade with it. So this will last probably the life of the saw for how much woodworking I'm going to do with it. So here's the unboxing of it. Very nice. Looks new. The different levels. You have different adjustments here. You have like a lock, an unlock here. You can lock it. It also has a depth gauge here. So you can set it for, let's see how low it goes. A little bit low there. Probably about 1/4 of an inch it looks like. Kind of hard to tell right there. But yeah, I just wanted to see how this is. Let's see if I can just lock it at 2. So it's got a quick measure on it. And I know it has a light here right in the front. I know that was one of the newer features on them. Once again, the reason I purchased the Ryobi is that I do have the whole line of just batteries and whatnot. So I was not going to try to venture out and get something better. I'm pretty sure there's much more better ones on the market, but for my intended purposes, this is gonna work perfectly fine. Let me just adjust this here. So it's fairly simple to set up here. So you do have your basically circular saw blade. Comes with a nice little Allen key holder here. Pull it out. There is a lock on the top here, where basically you just have to pull it down when you're going to unlock it here. It is counterclockwise to unlock the bolt. So once that breaks loose, you just kind of hold it. So then you can just take out the bolt. And then you have your nut. And you have your washer. And it actually says, oh, it actually gives you directions on it. If you look at it, it'll actually show you the direction how to tighten. So yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So it is like a generic one. I know some of them don't necessarily go like that. They might go actually opposite. I've seen that before. So what I'll do is I'll be careful here, taking off the blade and the cover off the blade. Fairly simple here. And then you have the saw blade right here. Nice new teeth on it. You could usually just slide it in. Lifting it up. Putting the saw blade down here. And all you want to do, just line up the nut. I'll start the threads. You don't need to hold the lock yet. And then, once you get it like finger tight here, hold the lock button up top and tighten it. And that's pretty good. It's tight. And that's fairly simple. That's how it goes. So not too bad. Put the little tool holder back, little Allen key holder back. And obviously I don't have anything to cut, but I do have a little battery here. Fully charged. Just see how it runs. And basically you have a safety switch one finger there. I'm just going to put it up a little bit just to show that it runs. And go. Pretty quick. So as you can see, it basically goes pretty quick. Has a good brake on it. Almost see the light. So this should work pretty well. The light turns off in a few seconds here. And you also have a depth gauge as well. So you can adjust the different angles of your cut. Alright, pretty simple, straightforward. If you have any comments, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks very much and have a great day.